The drive control malfunction warning appears when Ford and Lincoln vehicles detect problems with their intelligent four-bodied or all-wheel drive systems. These advanced drive systems manage four critical functions: power distribution between axles, traction control integration, terrain management modes, and electronic stability control coordination. The system relies on five key components working together: the transfer case control module, rear drive unit, power transfer unit, electronic clutch assemblies, and various sensors. Based on 2024-2025 data, the most common causes are software-related issues at 45%, transfer case control module failure at 25%, rear drive unit problems at 20%, and sensor malfunctions at 10%. Recent software updates have significantly improved diagnostic capabilities, offering enhanced OBD2 scanning with Ford-specific tools and remote diagnostic capabilities through FordPass Connect. Software-related issues account for 45% of drive control malfunctions and are often the easiest to resolve. These problems typically show intermittent warnings that may disappear after restarting the vehicle. When software updates don't resolve the issue, hardware replacement may be necessary. The transfer case control module is the most commonly replaced component, while rear drive unit problems are more expensive but less frequent. Preventive maintenance is becoming increasingly important. Regular fluid changes every 30,000 miles can prevent many expensive repairs. Ford now emphasizes this approach to reduce the occurrence of drive control issues. Sensor malfunctions represent 10% of cases and typically require sensor replacement with wiring inspection. The automotive industry is shifting towards software-based solutions, with Ford extending warranty coverage for affected components. Modern Ford vehicles are seeing a 40% reduction in drive control issues, thanks to improved diagnostics and software-based solutions. Regular maintenance and prompt software updates remain the best prevention strategies.